Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to download Brawl Stars on your Nintendo Switch, step by step. Let's get right into it. Step 1, turn on your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your Switch is connected to the internet and you're signed into your Nintendo account. Step 2, open the Nintendo eShop. From the home screen, select the Nintendo eShop icon to launch the digital store. Step 3, search for Brawl Stars. Use the search bar at the top and type Brawl Stars. If the game is available, it will appear in the search results. Step 4, select Brawl Stars and download. Click on the game, then select Download or Get to start downloading Brawl Stars to your console. If it's a free game, you won't be charged. Step 5, wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, you'll see the Brawl Stars icon on your home screen. Just launch the game and start playing. Tip: if you can't find Brawl Stars on the eShop, it might not be officially available for the Nintendo Switch yet. Keep an eye out for updates or official announcements. And that's how you download Brawl Stars on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.